Hello everyone, RL57 back with yet another diecast car video, and today we have the 2020 Toyota Supra number 8 out of 10 from then and now. And as you can see, this is then and now. That means there's a then and there's a now. So you might have remembered I reviewed this beauty. Was it 2000? Hold on. Okay, I forgot the model here. You might remember I've reviewed the previous Toyota Supra back in what was it, the M case, if I'm not mistaken. So I did a review about this Toyota Supra back then in this gorgeous bright red right here. And now we have the sequel, not really a sequel, but you can call it the now. So basically this is the latest version of this. And yeah, we're gonna take a look at this car. By the way, this is 241 over 250. Let's go ahead and open this up. Alright, here's the car, the 2020 Toyota Supra, in this similar type of bright red like we've seen previously with the previous model generation. This one is the 2020 generation, whereas the old one, I think it was 2013. I forgot actually. I did a review, but then I forgot. So yeah, we've basically seen a bunch of we've basically seen this model a bunch of times, like since 2021. We've seen the first edition, which was in white. Then we had the return of the one in yellow. Then we have the version in the slide street, I think. Yeah, the car culture, the first time in car culture. Then we have the Fast and Furious without the spoiler version, the original, the non-modified version. And then we had what, black from the was it Walmart or was it GameStop? I have no idea. I don't keep track of the GameStop and whatnot because I am not from the US, so I don't really have any of those, and I don't need to know about all of those. And then we have this one in this red, which is quite cool. Now we have in red. It's pretty good that they did a then and now version of this. I mean, like, of course we've previously gotten the old Supra. Of course we need the new Supra in that type of livery as well. So here we have it. Let's take a look at the details here. 2020 Toyota Supra, as always, we start off with the rims. We have black 10-spoke rims. Looks pretty good. I like the sleek look of it. Right there, looks pretty great. Then we have some side decals on the side of the door. We have like a wing. Something sort of like a wing, or maybe like a triangle on the side, similar to the old model we had previously. So we have that, and then a bit of some black stripes on the side. We have ready at the bottom of the door, and a tiny Hot Wheels logo right over there. Pretty good. For the front, we do have the ginormous headlights, which are, I think, printed. So yeah, good to see the car with the headlights basically. And we have that tiny Toyota logo, which is good detail right there. Then we have a bit of the grill at the bottom there, connected to the base, which is in black basically. Nothing on the hood basically, it's just empty. Yeah, nothing on the hood, just looks clean for the hood. And also the roof. The interior is basically gray, as you can see right there. Similar to the previous one, which is nice. Here's the side, seeing that. Now, of course, it doesn't have the rear lights because they already added the extra details on the side. They would most likely not add the rear lights if it's in that case. So they don't have any rear lights nor any license plate. We have a wing which has nothing on the top. Of course, the wing is metal, by the way. Yeah, let's move on to the base. So 2020 Toyota GR Supra, 2020 Mattel, made in Malaysia. I'm sure many of you would like this car as well because, of course, many people like the original one, which is this one that I've done a review previously. And well, I think people are gonna like the 2020 version as well because it just looks great. I mean, like, it's quite nice, it's highly detailed, it's very good. I like the two in this type of style, this type of design. It just kind of seems clean and pretty nice. But yeah, by the way, I just realized both without real lights kinda look funny together. I mean, like, not gonna lie, they do have the headlights with each other, but the back empty, it looks quite funny. I mean, like, I'm used to seeing the Mark 8 Supra with the rear lights, but this one definitely does not. So yeah, pretty great. Nice job, Mattel. Like to see you do the Then and Now series. Very nice. Once again, I'd like to say thank you guys for watching. See you on my other videos. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye bye.